So what this does, this actually disperses the water kind of cleanly out in different directions. You know, like a normal downspout, the water's just coming straight out. Then you can screw, I've got these things right here, and what they do, they screw down inside the gutter with these screws. It comes with a supplied hardware, and I got a 4-pack because I got 4 gutters, so I'll end up putting them on every single gutter I got. And you see, you got this little set of instructions. You basically just line it up just like this and screw it down, and then water will come down and then disperse. I will install this on a gutter and show you. I'll use a water hose and show you what this thing does, because I think it's a great option for anyone that just wants to kind of like break up that flow of water coming out of a downspout. So let me go ahead, take it over to my gutter and get one installed. And actually I'll install on 4 of them, but let me get one installed and show you guys how this works. So let's do that now. I'm gonna screw it right into this downspout right here. This is one I've got emptying out right here on the ground. I don't have it kind of like pulled away. So what I'm gonna do is put that disperser, plastic disperser on there, and that way what it'll do is disperse out more evenly. And a lot of times I put it in this bucket right here, so that way it can kind of fill that bucket up. So let me go ahead and screw it in now on this one. Okay, so I have the supplied hardware here. We'll just open that up, grab a couple of them. Now these are self-tapping type screws, so you can see how it starts to run in there. And we're just gonna line it up like that. Wow, that went very easy, everybody, because they're self-tapping screws. So there it is, check it out. That's how it went down. Now that one's just barely catching, but I think it's fine. I've got the one in there pretty good. Now let me grab my water hose, pour some water in there. I'm just gonna stick the water hose up in there and let it run and show you guys what it looks like. So I don't wanna take my nozzle off. What I'm gonna do is just squirt it up in there, and we'll see what it does when it comes out. You guys see that? How it kind of disperses all the way out like that? We'll know when the next big rain comes how this thing's gonna work, but I don't see any issues with this thing at all. Watch what it does. You see how it just kind of rolls out like that? That is awesome looking. I think this is gonna be a great kind of feature to all my little downspout tips right here. Yeah, so there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the downspout water disperser. See you all in the next video.